8 million people die already. No, please, don't send your machine in Congo. 6 million people, they put them inside machine to stall election. 우리 사람들이 미루 시스템 voting 기계 싫어요. 보내지 마세요. Please, 제발 보내지 마세요. If you send it in Congo, you are a killer.
한국 선관위의 전자투표 기계 회사인 미루 시스템즈 때문에 콩고에 부정선거가 일어나 800만 명이 죽었다는 사실을 콩고 사람들이 증언합니다.
계속 추고 안 된단 말이야. 안 된단 말이야. 미루 시스템 voting 기계 보내지 마세요. 보내지 마세요. 우리 사람들 싫어요. 싫어요. 안 된단 말이야. 안 된단 말이야. 죄송합니다. blood 톤 안 돼. blood 톤 안 돼. 안 돼요. 우리 사람들 싫어요. 안 돼요. 8 million people die already. 안 돼. We say no. We are tired. We are tired. No. Please, don't send your machine in Congo. We don't like it. 6 million people, they put them inside machine to stall election. 안 돼. 안 돼. 안 돼. Please, 제발. Don't send it. Don't send your machine in Congo. 안 돼. 안 돼요. 안 돼요. 안 돼요. 안 돼요. 미루 시스템. 여기는 콩고 사람들, 우리 사람들이 미루 시스템 voting 기계 싫어요. 보내지 마세요. 우리 고향 보내지 마세요. 사람들 매날 축구 안 돼. 안 돼요. 피곤해. 많이 피곤해. 안 돼요. 우리 대통령, 이제 대통령 콩고 사람들 싫어요. 안 돼. 안 돼. 이제 그 voting 기계 6 million fictive people, they put them inside to stall election. No, we say no. No. They put even baby, small baby inside. 6 million fictive people just to vote the president. No. Please don't send it. 보내지 마세요. 보내지 마세요. Please, 제발 보내지 마세요. 오케이? 친구들 보내지 마세요. 보내지 마세요. Okay. We don't want to die for our own country.
Yes.
We have diamond. We have coltan.
It's my
we
country.
have zinc.
Congo,
we
my
have
country.
uranium.
Yeah.
We have everything in Congo.
Oh
That's
my God.
people are suffering there
Oh no.
because of our own riches. But we want to share with the world. Congo is not rich
I'm sick about that.
Himself, no, for the world. For the world. We don't deny people. We like people to come and take, but in the right way. In the right way. Not stealing, no. Stealing uranium in Congo, no. Stealing cobalt in Congo, no. Stealing coltan in Congo, no. Stealing diamond in Congo, no. And there. Stealing gold in Congo, no. 제발, 미루 system, don't be a part of those who are killing. The money you get, the money you receive from Congo government is blood money. This is blood money.
You kill me too.
If you send it in Congo, you are a killer. You are among the killer. This is our message here this morning. You want to be a killer? Like that small boy there in Congo? No. Please, listen. Don't send your machine in Congo. Okay, we hope that you will understand what we are saying. Go to Google and check. You will see in the world, Congo community in the world, they don't like the vote with Miru system, voting Kige and Deo, because they want to stall the election. And Deo, Thank you very much. 감사합니다. Our time is over. So we hope you hear. 우리 말 잘 들었어요. 우리 말 진짜 잘 들었어요. 이제 집에 들어가요. 근데 please don't send voting machine in Congo. 안 돼. We don't like it. We don't need it. We want to do it like Korean election was. You know, even the Korean, you didn't use it. You didn't use machine to do your election. Why in Congo? Because they put already fictive people inside. 6 million inside. Thank you very much. 감사합니다.